How to fix loading chunk error message on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix this error message on Discord. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's just jump right in. The very first thing you want to do here is delete the cache files from Discord, because sometimes those kind of files might be messing with you. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows icon and then go to Run. Here you're going to type in %appdata% and then click on OK. Once that is done, you're going to find the Discord application or the folder over here. Open it up and you can find these three folders. The first one is cache, then you have code cache, and then you have GPU cache. So open each of these folders, then you want to go to cache data and delete the entire folder inside here. So just press Shift plus delete, click on yes, and you just have to go back. Then do the same thing for the other one. So go inside code cache and delete all of these. Press Shift delete, tap on yes, go back again and do the same thing for the other one. So go to GPU cache and do the same thing here. Once all of that is done, you need to now close this out and again open Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. Now this time you need to do something like, instead of app data, you need to do local app data and hit enter. I will open this up right over here. You need to find Discord folder and you basically go ahead and delete the entire folder. So what it does is it's going to completely uninstall the application from your device. So right click on it, click on delete, or just press Shift plus delete. Then what you're going to do is open up your web browser, and from your web browser all you have to do is search for Discord download and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here, go to discord.com/download and click on download for Windows. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and set up your Discord. It's going to start the installation file. You just have to run it and then install Discord one more time. Then try to log in and your problem should be fixed. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.